Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Tinder account on your phone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Tinder needs a stable connection to load profile and message. Next, open your Tinder account. Now tap on profile. Now tap on settings. From here, log out and log back in. Open Tinder, tap your profile and go to the settings. Scroll down and select log out. Then log in again. This can refresh your account and fix minor issues. After that, update or reinstall the Tinder app. Go to the App Store, tap on your profile at the top, scroll down and check for updates, or delete and reinstall the app. A fresh installation often fix glitches or freezing problems. Another way is to check your profile info. Make sure your photos, bio or personal details are correct. Incorrect information or broken links can sometimes cause problems. And that's it. Check your connection, log out and log in, reinstall the app, update your profile and contact support if needed. Follow these steps will fix your Tinder account on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.